In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email using Brevo. This straightforward process will ensure you're communicating effectively and efficiently through this platform. Whether you're sending a quick note or a detailed message, these steps will guide you through the entire process. Let's start by logging into your Brevo account. If this is your first time, make sure you have your login credentials ready. Navigating through Brevo begins once you're securely logged in. This intuitive platform is designed to streamline communication, which means you should have no trouble finding your way around. Once logged in, the next step takes us to the Contacts section. You'll find this usually labeled in a menu on the dashboard. Here, you'll be able to search for the recipient of your email. Simply type the name of the contact you're looking for into the search bar. Brevo's search function is designed to be quick and sensitive, meaning you'll only need to type a few characters to see the list neatly filtered down to your desired contact. After locating the contact, click on the contact's info in the contact column. This action will reveal further details about your contact. It's a great way to confirm you're about to email the right person. Now direct your attention to the email icon, which is conveniently placed at the top of the page above the email section. Clicking on this icon will open a new email composition page. It's essentially like opening a fresh blank canvas where you'll craft your message. At this point, you're ready to fill in the necessary details. Start by selecting or entering the sender's email address. Often your user profile will automatically populate this field, but you might also need to choose from multiple sender addresses if you have several linked to your account. Then ensure the recipient's email is correctly filled in. The system should auto-populate this based on the contact choice. Next comes the subject line, a crucial part of your email that succinctly conveys the message or intent of your email. Remember, a clear and concise subject can make a significant difference, especially in ensuring your email gets the attention it deserves. Now it's time to write the main content of your email. This is where you'll want to be clear, concise, and thorough. Brevo also allows you to attach necessary files and documents to your email. Simply click on the attachment icon and select the relevant files from your device. Finally, once everything looks good and you're sure no details have been overlooked, take a deep breath and click the send button. With Brevo's reliable email infrastructure, you can rest assured your message will be on its way in no time. There you have it. Sending an email with Brevo is a seamless, user-friendly process. Ensure you follow these steps each time to make your communication smooth and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.